This portion is brought to you by Mercury Drug, nakasisiguro gamot ay laging bago.
Kapag tayo nakakaramdam ng sakit sa ating kalamnan at kasukasuan, kadalasan sinasabi natin, baka ito dahil sa ating pagtanda. Pero bukod pala sa pagtanda, marami pang dahilan kung bakit tayo mahirapan gumalaw dahil sa sakit na nararamdaman na dulot nito. At yan po at marami pang iba ang ating pag-uusapan ngayong araw na ito. Kaya tayo po ay gumalaw at magbanat ng buto habang nanonood ng Generation RX.
Well, the pains and the muscle and joint pains that they feel after they do exercise is a condition called delayed onset muscle soreness. This is a condition in which that there are micro tears that occur in the muscles due to the activity that the athlete or the player has been doing. Now, this is usually seen in athletes or players or let's say individuals who are not physically fit or not well conditioned. So pag usually hindi nila kayang gawin yung ginagawa nila, doon nagkakaroon or ine-exert nila yung sarili nila, doon nagkakaroon ng pain doon sa mga muscle na nararamdaman nila. Usually lumalabas to after 24 hours or after the activity, pagising nila the next day, doon ho sumasakit ang katawan nila. Well, usually kasi ang cause nito is yun nga, yung hindi masyadong fit yung tao or hindi sila properly nagwo-warm up or nagko-cool down. So, ang nangyayari kasi minsan in our desire to do exercise or in our desire to minsan tinatamad na tayong mag-stretching or mag-cool down. So, ang nangyayari from the car or from the house, diretso na tayo to the gym, na kaagad, exercise na kaagad. Actually, this is wrong, no? Dapat yan ang ginagawa natin before doing any exercise or doing any physical activity, we should always follow the proper stretching prior to the activity and the proper cool down to avoid this muscle soreness or delayed onset muscle soreness that we feel the next day.
Businesswoman and mommy for children. Let's meet Bernadette Gidon, o mas kilala sa nickname na Beng. Being an active woman and hands-on mom, malaki ang kanyang responsibilidad. Kaya naman stressed at laging pagod si Mommy Beng. At hanggang sa kanyang pagtulog na dapat sana ay makarecover siya sa maghapong pagod, pagdating ng umaga, mas problemado ito.
Meron akong numbness na nararamdaman sa tuhod at saka sa talampakan.
Buti na lang sa tulong ng isang malapit na kaibigan, nakilala niya ang isang natural food supplement, ang Circulan 4-in-1.
It was given to me by a doctor friend last December. Tapos when I took yung Circulan, nawala siya after 2 weeks.
Kaya naman ngayon, matapos ang halos 3 buwang tuloy-tuloy na pag-inom ng Circulan 4-in-1 Natural Food Supplement, malaki ang nakitang pagbabago sa ating supermom.
Nawala na yung numbness ko pagkatapos, kasi I go to the gym every day, so hindi na heavy yung feeling. Thank you to Circulan because it makes me feel good and look young.
O ayan, kita nyo, dahil sa Circulan 4-in-1, looking younger pa rin. Maintained ang glowing skin at may normal sleep pattern. Tanggal ang pananakit ng kalamnan, kaya refreshed paggising.
How old is he? 35? 33?
37? It's hard to tell with Circulan. Circulan helps promote normal blood circulation to help you look and feel younger.
My age? It doesn't matter.
Circulan.
How old is she?
27? 25? 30?
It's hard to tell with Circulan. Circulan helps promote normal blood circulation to help you look and feel younger.
My age? It doesn't matter.
Circulan.
Ang cute niya. Ay, kulang.
And now, contestant number 9. Why did you win this contest?
Ay, kulang.
Ano pa ba ang Kulang.
Kulang sa tangkad at talino? Mag High-Smart Multivitamins. Punong-puno ang High-Smart with essential vitamins and the right amount of taurine, lysine, and zinc that can help your child grow taller and smarter.
High-Smart, pangpuno ng kulang.
At David's Salon, we give the good training to give good service. To bring out the best in you.
Madalas, tayo na rin ang dahilan sa ating nararamdaman na sakit, sa ating kasukasuan at pati na rin sa ating kalamnan. Dahil minsan, overuse na po or minsan, overexertion ng ating mga joints at mga muscles kaya ito ay sumasakit.
Generally, anybody can be affected by this condition, no? Usually, this happens less in the elite athlete kasi yung elite athlete, araw-araw sila tumatakbo or araw-araw sila nag-exercise. Pero pag let's say, yun, once a week ka lang or weekend warrior kung tawagin natin, yung mga yun, mas prone sila magkaroon ng injury ng ganito. Well, usually, we diagnose by having pain the day after the said activity, no? So, usually, sumasakit, nahirapan maglakad, or parang masikip ang muscles mo, or yun nga, very sore and tender yung muscles na ginamit mo for doing the exercise. Or let's say, pag tumakbo ka, usually yung hamstring or quadriceps mo, yung muscles mo in front or at the back of the thigh, yun ho yung sumasakit.
Good morning everyone! I'm Chef Ides and nandito po ako ngayon para ituro sa inyo ang paggawa ng Hawaiian Ham Macaroni Salad. Siyempre, sa tulong yan ng Whirlpool, Fujidenso Appliances, and Kingsway Products. Alam nyo ba na ang Kingsway Products ay nag-start magsimula noong 1930 at nakakasiguro tayo na ang kanilang produktong nilalabas ay magandang quality. We have cooked pasta, shredded chicken breast,